we talk about the assembling of the ornament. My preferable stitching method is improved blanket stitch, or as I refer to it, the buttonhole stitch. The plain blanket stitch goes like this. You go with needle through both layers of material and then catch a loop like this. And this is how we have a thread at the end. And it is positioned, the loose end, a bit backwards. Now, if I'm making the improved method, or as I call it, buttonhole stitch, I won't go this way through the loop, but in the opposite direction with needle pointing in the direction of sewing. And if you see how the thread lies now, it's a bit in this direction, not backwards. And it's here, it's kind of a half knot, so the stitch looks more stable, more in the place. Small. Always catch a loop in the direction of sewing. It doesn't matter if you're sewing like this from up down, or if you're sewing from down up, or in the direction of clockwise, or in the opposite. Just remember how you go with a needle through a loop. This is the direction. Always catch a loop in the direction of sewing. And when you are here, try to make these end parts symmetrical as possible. Now, if you watch me when I sew, it looks a bit different, but it's not. The small loop that I showed you before, it's now a big loop that I prepare with a hand. And this way I save a move. It's still going with needle for both layers, but already preparing a loop and going with the needle for the loop. The version with a small loop and with a big loop.